range 350.
This is Mission Control Korolyov, 470 meters separating the Soyuz and its destination at the International Space Station. Flight controllers are reporting that the Russian segment is in the correct orientation for the docking a few minutes from now of the Soyuz MS-09 spacecraft to the Rassvet module. As the Soyuz makes its final few feet just prior to contact and capture, the station will be put into what's known as free drift, meaning that all of the thrusters and propulsion systems on the station itself will be temporarily disabled to avoid any inadvertent jet thruster firings that could perturbate the relative motion of the two vehicles against one another at the time of contact. This view now of the Soyuz from truss cameras on the International Space Station, an outstanding view as the fly-around of the station is in progress. The station and the Soyuz currently flying 255 statute miles over the border between Russia and northwest Kazakhstan. The Soyuz MS-09 just minutes away from delivering Sergei Prokopyev, Serena Aunin Chancellor, and Alexander Gerst to the International Space Station for a 6.5-month mission.
Okay, copy.
At the bottom of your screen, you're looking at two fan-shaped solar arrays. Those are the ultra-flex solar arrays on the Cygnus cargo craft that arrived at the International Space Station a couple of weeks ago.
Copy.
Later in June, SpaceX will launch its next mission to the International Space Station, a delivery mission of its Dragon cargo craft that will park right alongside of Cygnus, marking the first time since 2016 that two U.S. commercial cargo vehicles will have been at the International Space Station simultaneously.
Target is at the center. Range 23. And rate minus 0.13, filters operating nominally. The target is at the center of the screen. 0.11. The target is offset to the right by approximately 1 square. Range 10. Rate are aligned. Target is at the center. Range 5 meters. Copy. And please be ready for contact. Target is at the center of the screen. I confirm contact.
Contact confirmed.
And I confirm.
And capture confirmed. At 8:01 a.m. Central Time, 9:01 a.m. Eastern Time, the Soyuz MS-09 delivering a multinational crew to the International Space Station for more than a half year in space, docking occurring over eastern China at an altitude of 255 statute miles.
Flow valve 1.
You're looking inside the vestibule connecting the Rassvet module to the Soyuz spacecraft, and we see motion and the Soyuz hatch now swinging open at 10:17 a.m. Central Time, 11:17 a.m. Eastern Time. First in, Sergei Prokopyev. His first moments inside the International Space Station, and applause from the balcony from those gathered here in the Russian Mission Control Center. Prokopyev was the 231st human to board the International Space Station, followed by Alexander Gerst with a return trip inside the station. And Serena Aunin Chancellor, number 232 on board the International Space Station, her first moments being greeted by her NASA colleague and station commander, Drew Feustel.
Friends and colleagues, we are on the ISS. Everything is great. We had a warm welcome. We like everything. And we start our work as part of the new expedition 5657. Altais are here with the Hawaii. This is Mr. Sebastiana from Roscosmos. Congratulations on behalf of Roscosmos and all the contractors. This was the first stage of your mission. Wishing you all the best, good luck, good health, and performing all the missions during the flight.
Hello, this is the other Gerst from NASA. You all look great on orbit. The new crew looks great. You guys look all fresh, excited, and ready to go to work. And the experienced crew that's been there for a while, they look like they're really ready to work with you guys and have a great time on orbit. So enjoy your time on board station. Have a great time. If you need anything from the ground, let us know. We're here to help you. So again, just have an awesome time on board station. You guys all look great. And we've got a busy campaign for you, lots of research. Have fun and enjoy Space Station.
Thanks, Gerst. From Gerst to Gerst, thanks for the support.
All right, and I'll turn it now over to David Parker from ESA.
Hello, this is David Parker from ESA. It's great to see you all aboard the space station. I would like to give you the congratulations of the Director General, Jan Werner, and all the family of ESA that are supporting you and all of the crew aboard the space station. You actually look even more happy now than when you were preparing to launch. So have a great mission. You're doing really important work, and we appreciate everything you're doing for all of us back here on Earth. Thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
And so I bet.
Hi, Serena, it's Jeff. You look fantastic. It's great to finally see that great smile of yours. We miss you. Can't wait to talk to you later, and I love you.
Hi, Jeff. Hi, everybody. So good to hear your voice. It was quite the ride up here. It was amazing. I hope it was just as amazing to watch it there, and it's so good to hear from you. Love you guys very, very much.
Hi, Serena. It's Serafina. I can't believe you're in space.
Hey,
you look awesome. Hi.
Hi. How was the launch? Did you enjoy it?
Hi, Serena. It's Christine. You look amazing. We're so excited. It's been such an amazing time. I'm so proud of you. Love you.
Awesome. Love you guys, too.
Hi, Serena. It's Maria. I'm so glad you guys made it. You look awesome. You and the rest of the crew looks fantastic. And I love you, and I'll talk to you later.
Thanks, Maria. Love you.
Hi, Serena. It's Cha-Cha. Hi, it's Cha-Cha. I love you. You look great. I love you, and you have the best hairstyle up there. I love how your ponytail's actively trying to leave your body. I love you. Take care.
Thanks, Cha-Cha. I love you.
Hey, Serena, it's Jeff. You have to do me a favor and take your hair out of the ponytail so we can see how big it is up there.
All right, that's going to work.
Hey, Jeff, it's Alex. I think I feel a little discriminated here.
Hi, Serena. It's Christine. Poppy, Doug came back said he's really, really sorry that he's not here to share this with you, but that he loves you very much and he's very proud of your journey, and then he wants to know where he can get a Hawaiian shirt.
I think your dad would like those Hawaiian shirts. tell Mom and Dad I love them very much, and I knew they were with me the whole time there in Houston watching for Mission Control, as well as all my other friends and family out there. I know you're there. I know you're watching, and it means a lot to me. Thank you very much.
Guys, thank you for the video. We're ending here. Hope you found a good new home up there. Thank you.